So, my English exam got over today and it went pretty well, but there was definitely some tricky parts and questions that was a bit tough or it just need more thinking. So, it was the only tough part, but other than that, the paper was quite easy and straightforward. It was pretty good. I was expecting the passage part, the reading part to be the most difficult, but actually, the most difficult part for me was the last two long questions for of literature because they required a deep thinking, and also the English paper is a bit lengthy most of the time. I found the English paper quite lengthy because then there are other subjects. I just complete my paper and I have 15 minutes left for everything, but when it is English time, I really was writing till the very end of the time. But I would not say I have left any questions, any MCQ or anything. I have attempted everything, and the people, the three sections, they were quite easy. First passage section, it took me for both passages less than an hour, and it should have completed in less than an hour. So my passage section was pretty good. And since I solved the sample paper, its passage was much more harder than what have actually came in the board exam. So it was a decent place. It was a decent paper. Then for the writing section, it was also pretty easy because I knew the format and I knew the content and what to write. So it was also pretty good and it did not took me a lot of time. I had almost an hour of 15 minutes for the last literature part, and the extracts were as easy as always. I really find the extract pretty easy and quite scoring, so it went pretty well. And then the question answer was also easy, but the last two questions that you have of 120 to 150 words, they were pretty time consuming and it required critical thinking. And when I came to the end of writing every answer, and when you solve everything from the start and you come to the end, your mind is like my mind was exhausted. I just wanted to sleep back there, but I just opened my answer booklet, answer sheet, and started to write out whatever I knew and whatever I could write. So it was good. It was not bad, but the only tricky part I found was the last one where I had two questions only. Yeah, two questions I found tough, but other than that, everything was pretty good. And as I said, I realized that for an English exam, time management is pretty important. Even though you know the answer, but writing them within the limits and including the main paragraph, the main keywords is important. If you still have exams left, as I do, my biology exam is left, my advice would be stop cramming the notes and start to take the paper, sample paper, PYQ or whatever, and start to write down the answer. Don't just think in your head that this is the answer. The topic I know, I can write this topic that I've studied, but rather take a page, take a pen, and write down every single thing. It really helps for the time management as well as your writing part, and also how you can communicate through your thoughts and give the exact answer as the examiner wants to see. So this was my day today. The exam was good and the day was decent. What I did today was resting only. And this is me documenting my life as a 12th grader who want to improve her life and share what I have learned throughout this journey, which can probably help you all too in improving and leveling up your life and changing your mindset for the good